You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name, the Korean name of this member of the group Stray Kids. By the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce the other members, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you the Korean way. Even though he's also Australian, he says Pang, Pang. The B here is pronounced almost like a P. Pang Chan. That's Korean pronunciation here. Pang Chan. In English, it's often pronounced as just Bang Chan, but similar. Pang Chan. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.